Have you been waiting for the perfect time to build your dream home? Build, play, relax, and live. I'm Danette McManus with Flavin Realty, and this is WestEnd Subdivision. Enjoy Sulphur living and being conveniently located to the interstate, industry, schools, and shopping. If you're looking for a little more than an acre, try the 3-acre, 5-acre, or 9-acre tracts available. Underground utilities, high-speed internet, and city water are just a few of the modern conveniences. Property located in Flood Zone X, where no flood insurance is required. HOA takes care of all the roads and the road maintenance. Bring your own builder, or we can help you find the perfect fit. Call or text me, Danette McManus with Flavin Realty, or visit us at westendsub.com.